Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two drones designed specifically for kids. In one corner, we have the Q9s Drones for kids, and in the other corner, we have the Oddire Mini Drone. Let's dive into the features and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the Q9s Drones for kids. This drone features vibrant neon green and blue LEDs that light up the entire frame, giving you a powerful illuminating effect. It even has 3 different display modes for lighting, providing a vivid flight experience. Now let's take a look at the Oddire Mini Drone. This drone also comes with its own unique feature, a 2-in-1 design. It can transform into a car mode where the indicator light turns blue. This adds a whole new level of excitement as it combines the experience of flying a quadcopter and the feeling of driving a racing car. Safety is always a top priority, especially when it comes to kids' toys. The Q9s Drones for kids is built with a structured style and 4 sturdy propeller guards, ensuring a secure flight and protecting your kids from spinning propellers. It's made with high-quality ABS material, making it durable and reliable even after countless crashes or drops. Now let's talk about the Oddire Mini Drone. This drone also prioritizes safety with its wrapped 4 fan blades, providing good protection and preventing physical harm caused by spinning propellers. It's made with high-quality, environmentally friendly materials, making it durable enough to withstand bumps and drops. User-friendliness is crucial, especially for beginners or kids. The Q9s Drones for kids offers a range of user-friendly features. With just one button, you can take off, land, or return the drone. It also has 3 different speeds to choose from, catering to both beginners and skilled players. Additionally, its altitude hold feature allows the drone to hover automatically in the air, making it extremely beginner-friendly. Moving on to the Oddire Mini Drone, it also offers a range of user-friendly features. It has one-click takeoff and landing, stable altitude hover, 360-degree roll, flexible headless mode, and fine-tuning functions. The intelligent chip allows for easy control in various environments, whether you're a beginner or an experienced flyer. Let's talk about battery life, a crucial factor for extended playtime. The Q9s Drones for kids comes with 2 batteries, giving you double the flight time. This means more fun and less waiting around for the batteries to recharge. On the other hand, the Oddire Mini Drone also comes with 2 batteries, providing up to 20 to 30 minutes of battery life. It offers a longer using time compared to its competitors. Based on online reviews, both the Q9s Drones for kids and the Oddire Mini Drone have received positive feedback from customers. Let's take a look at some of the reviews. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Q9s Drones for kids and the Oddire Mini Drone. While both drones have their unique features, it's safe to say that they both offer an exciting and enjoyable experience for kids. Remember, it's important to consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing a drone. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you next time.